You like to work.
All right.
I work 7 days.
He works 7 days, right? And so in those 7 days, that means that you really don't have a whole lot of time to, be around family and friends and do the hobbies that you like to do, right? And so if I share something with you that will allow you to buy some of your time back, would you be interested in taking a look at what I have?
Go on.
You see what I said? If I can show you something that can buy back some of your time to alleviate the things that you're doing 7 days a week so you can be around family, friends, and create hobbies, would you be interested in taking a look at it? He says yes, go home, right? And so if I can show you a way where you can earn an extra $500 a week or even a month, would that be something that you'd be interested in?
Yeah.
All righty. So you have parents?
I do.
You have sisters and brothers. You have a best friend. And if you start a business, who would be the first 5 people that you would want to start business with?
In my opinion,
Yes.
first 5 business partners, right?
Yes.
I would say go based off of your circle first. What I always had a team since I was 16 years old. I always had my own team. We did a lot of reselling and stuff like that. We were always ambitious. We always wanted to be more than the average person, with me being 19 years old right now, actually speaking, I'm actually even shocked I got this far, and I really can't wait. I can't wait to see what God has for me in the future, so it was first my friends, my ambitious friends, then I targeted my co-workers that were tired of their 9 to 5s, then I went to my parents, I even talked to my mom and my sister about it. I was like, look, I know you don't want to work this job, sis. Let me try and get you on board because I actually made $2,000 within 2-3 weeks of the business already. I've already made 2-3 grand. So I see the vision, and ultimately, I tell all my recruits this: you gotta have a passion for the business. You gotta have a passion. You can't just sell it for the money because when you talking to somebody you're selling to, it's like you're just so greedy, and they see that in you. They see it in you. You have to see the vision, right? And just like Myri, very inspirational woman, very inspirational. I call it the Myri talk. Every time I get on the phone with her, she gets me all pumped, all juiced up, ready to go. I remember when she first recruited me, and that wasn't even a month ago.
Right?
That wasn't even a month ago. I definitely encourage everybody in this room become an associate. Because right now, I work security, and I'm not ashamed to admit it. I work security. But I also have a second stream income. And I've already brought in over $2,000. So I'm pretty much living good right now, but I want more.
Right.
I want more.
So watch this. Just listening to him talk, because we as an associates have to learn how to listen. Right? That's why he gave you 2 ears and 1 mouth. So me listening to him as he being a person that I was prospecting, who's a new person, he said his ambitious friends, his parents, and then other people. I call it the I love you list. You're going to talk to the people that talk to you the most, who say they will support you without all the hassle. Right? And so that's how I actually got started. So we're going to use your I love you list, right? And so we're going to call a couple people, right? And we're going to talk to them. And I'm actually going to help call for you and with you, if that makes sense. How many of y'all have new associates? They have a list, but they never pick up the phone to call the people. The phone get heavy. So, I ain't called. No, we're going to call together. And so this is what I would do to Mr. Teron, right? I would actually, Mr. Jerry, if you don't mind, come and stand right here.
Yay, Jerry!
Jerry! So all in the game plan interview, Mr. Jerry is someone that Teron looks up to. I'm going to have Teron on the phone with me, right? And we're going to call Mr. Jerry. The phone is going to ring. I just need you to answer a couple questions, and we're going to go just like that, right? And so, ring, ring, ring.
Hello.
Hey, Mr. Jerry, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
Man, I have Mr. Teron on the phone with me, and he have told me some incredible things about you.
Well, I love him. He's got a great personality.
Man, he said that you're awesome. He said that you have done some things in your life that he wished that he could do. And I just want to know, Mr. Jerry, are you one of the type of family members or business person that don't mind supporting someone else?
Yeah, absolutely.
I got him to say yes to support. gave him a compliment. Well, Mr. Teron has actually just got started in this business, and I would love to share with you what it is. But first, can I just ask you a couple questions? Do you believe that we live in a world where we all need legal access to the justice system?
Yes.
Do you believe that attorneys cost, $300 to $400 an hour?
Or more?
Yeah. And I know you're probably a guy that can afford $300 to $400 an hour, but if I could show you a way where we can exit out that $300 to $400 an hour, would that be something that you would like to look at?
Sure.
And I can actually throw in there to update your will or something like that. Would that be something that you would like to look at?
Well, I have a will, but yeah, that sounds pretty interesting.
Just ask all the right questions, right? Teron don't have to say anything because I already edified Teron to Mr. Jerry. I already gave Mr. Jerry a compliment, right? And even though he don't know me, guess what? He can appreciate the compliment, and he can appreciate that Teron said some great things about him. Trust me, it works. And so now we're able to get him in front of the information to see the information so he can make a decision based off the information that he saw. And even if he don't get it, guess what he's going to do? He's going to refer it to somebody else so Teron can have the services. Right. That makes sense, guys?
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.